What if a mysterious object flew just meters from a fighter jet? Some Navy pilots reported near collisions with unknown objects during training missions. One pilot said a cylindrical object flew directly past his F-18. The distance, just a few meters. At that speed, even a small collision could have caused a disaster. But many pilots didn't report these incidents, not because they saw nothing, but because they feared being ridiculed. So how many encounters were never reported? Like this video, comment your thoughts, and follow for the final part.